Always
Plus us!
we are
Plus!
Kumusta kayo, Sam?
Woo!
Sana naging masaya yung New Year nyo kasi sa amin sobrang saya din. We miss you, Sam! Kaya naman, sana biniwish po namin na maging mabuti po yung 2025 para po sa ating lahat.
Yeah. And speaking of a successful 2025, let's make our dreams for Jael into becoming a K-pop idol become true.
Sana napapanood nyo po ang mga performances po ng aking bunso kasi makikita nyo po talaga ang isang Filipino world-class talent.
Yeah.
Yes, kaya naman mag-vote po tayo and let's make JL our first top pick. Pwede po natin siya i-vote sa K-Top Star app and we can also vote him via Higher app and SBS website. Kaya i-promise nyo sa amin yan, Sam, ha? Kaya naman lagi natin supportan si JL sa
Universe League!
Kaya naman, always
Plus us!
we are
Plus!
We miss you.
Miss you. Good luck, JL!